Hey guys, we're back out here in Southwest Miami today. As you can see, a lot of action is going down. Take this old, man, this thing is old, man. All that mold to the side, mildew I should say, as you can see inside here. Just take all this old stuff out, old ductwork, you know. Breaking everything down to bag it up, as you can see. It's all the new stuff. Getting ready to get done. New stuff, no used, no old stuff. New mixing box here, distribution. As you can see, getting ready. Got the new line set, new hole cut, line set being ran. Gotta put a chase on this wall. New prefab slab. This is a new ream unit. Another ream for the week. Like 5-6 reams for the week. Hey Lenny, say what's up to the team, man. JR, say what's up to the team, man. Y'all gotta let the world know who we are, man. We run the star, man. We run the city. Y'all know that we all the way in Southwest Miami, man. Leave Broward County all the way in Southwest Miami.